to go. Toto and Pickle say hello. We'll be back to play real soon. Maybe morning, night,